Oh, really? Who parks a lawnmower thingy? Hey, asshole. That's not the landing area. That's the landing area.
It just looks like, oh, it's a big deal. Oh, we're a long seam, though.
You're not bad.
Yeah, that can be fixed.
You didn't want this canopy anyway.
No, I tell you, I got more form. That was fucking awesome.
Wasn't that awesome?
That was awesome.
It was worth ripping your canopy. Bad, whatever the hell you are. Bad.
It's a lawnmower.
Don't like you.
I think this is where you got caught, right here, right here, right here. And learn how to land in the landing area next time. Any last words?
That was awesome.
Even though your parachute's ripped? Awesome. That's what I like to hear. That guy just jumped out of a helicopter and ripped his parachute, and he still said this was awesome.
Parachute
I love this
going
sport.
to the hospital.
Don't you love this sport, Al?
This is wonderful.
I love this sport.
It.